We used this hotel 2018. At the time, the hotel front desk Maria was so nice to us, then we choose this hotel again this time, but she is not there. Still satisfied this hotel. Great location. Not too far away from the beaches but also not too close that there's lots of noise. Get a penthouse suite. They are little apartments and feels nice to have the space. Definitely recommend this hotel. The location to the beach, places to eat and shop was the best. In the heart of Waikiki. The staff were nice and very pleasant. Room was clean and spacious. Would stay here again. Excellent location in Waikiki, just opposite Royal Hawaiian Center and Waikiki Beach after that. Receptionists were nice. Room is very clean. Only complaint I have is that the shower water wasn't hot, only warm at best. Great location and exceptional staff. The continental breakfast was adequate, would have liked another fruit and pastry option. Parking was available but the cost to park a little high. Overall a great boutique hotel, close to everything and would return. Good location close to Waikiki Main Road. Breakfast is very simple and no choice if you are Asian. Also, little seating space only, but overall nice hotel and friendly staff. Clean spacious rooms, small pool and relax area good for a few days in Honolulu. This was a nice hotel within the Waikiki area and an easy access to the beach in less than 10 minutes. We got upgraded to a junior suite free of charge because they ran out of twin bedrooms, which was great news. Room was very spacious but the bathroom was slightly dated. Overall, it was an enjoyable stay. Didn't like the $25 plus USD charge for facility use on top of room charge, especially if you don't use the facilities. Makes the whole deal $25 more expensive than it appears online. Otherwise very clean and great location. Liked the open airiness of the place and that it was a relatively small hotel. Japanese barbecue restaurant across the road, fun and good. Great bed. Earplugs were comfy and necessary due to street noise from drunk people, even from the 9th floor. Construction surrounds the property during the day but daytime noise isn't too bad. Construction is not a major inconvenience unless you are expecting a view from your lanai. You will see construction no matter where you are, and it appears not to be ending anytime soon. Still a great deal for location and price. The hotel is well located to everything in Waikiki. Shops, restaurants and beaches are all a short walk away. With the complimentary hotel shuttle, other areas are also easily reached. Otherwise it was comfortable and clean. Additions like free DVD rental and complimentary breakfast are nice. It is hardly cheap. Consider the additional resort fee charged too, $15 per night, but Waikiki is never cheap, and therefore this hotel is a good value option. Great deal, great counter service, thank you very much. Good value in Waikiki. 10 to 15 minutes walk to the beach. Quite central for Waikiki. Food, transport, beach-friendly staff, comfortable room. Put this place on your bucket list if you're staying in Waikiki. Small, quaint and everything as it should be. A nice surprise. Great location. Few minutes away from Waikiki Beach. Staffs are accommodating. Breakfast are fine bread, eggs, cereals and fruits. Great hotel, close to beach and shopping. Free hotel shuttle to take you to different places. Great value for money. Breakfast needs an upgrade. I really enjoy the ambiance of Aqua Oasis Hotel. The room is clean, very convenient with everything. Clubs, bars, store, etc. I will surely come back. Staff were amazing. Everything you asked for they knew the answer. Super helpful and welcoming, so different from the 4 other hotels that we stayed at.